In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com, a day-to-day project management Monday tutorial for beginners, 5 minutes. First, head to the Monday.com website and click Get Started. This takes you into a quick sign-up flow so you can try the platform without any setup headaches. Enter your email to create an account. You'll get a 14-day free trial of the Pro plan, and there's no credit card required, so you can explore features confidently and decide what fits your team. Once you're in, think of your account as a workspace, and inside it, you'll organize your work using boards. A workspace is the broader area for a team or department. Boards are where the day-to-day happens: tasks, projects, campaigns, sprints, anything you want to track. Create a workspace if prompted, then add your first board. You can start with a blank board for total control or pick a pre-designed template. Templates are a fast way to get going because they come with helpful columns and views out of the box. Choose one that matches your process, then adjust it to your needs. If you're unsure, start with a basic task template and tweak from there. Next, structure your data. Use groups to cluster items. Think phases like backlog, in progress, and done, or categories such as design, development, and QA. Within each group, add items for the specific tasks. Columns hold the details that matter: a status column to show progress, a date column for deadlines, and a people column to assign owners. Keep your columns lean to start. You can always add more like priority or timeline as your process matures. The status column is your visual heartbeat. Customize labels to match your workflow. And remember, you can have up to 40 different labels if you need that level of detail. Clear names and consistent colors help everyone scan and understand progress quickly. To reduce manual updates, set up simple automations. For example, when a due date arrives, automatically move a task to a new group or change its status. When a status changes to done, notify the owner. Automations save time and create predictable follow-ups. Start small and refine as you see what triggers are most useful. Finally, invite your team and set permissions. Add the people who need access and choose whether they can edit or just view. Use permissions to protect sensitive boards while still keeping collaboration open where it matters. That's it. With these essentials: workspaces, boards, templates, structured columns, clear statuses, smart automations, and thoughtful permissions, you'll be ready to manage projects in Monday with confidence.